Connects to the factory stereo harnesses when installing an aftermarket stereo. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connector, wire harness for aftermarket stereo installation with color-coded wires. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Converts colors to aftermarket standard. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. It was the exact one I needed for my 2000 Chevy.